Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. We're checking out Bluetti's Charger 1 alternator charger. There's a pretty good discount going on right now. Plus, you can use our promo code Adventure Tech to get an additional discount on top of that. Use the links in the comments or the description to get right over this page, get a good deal, and help support our channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. For everybody else, we're going to be taking a closer look at the Bluetti Charger 1, going over all the specs in this video. This alternator charger gives you 560 watt max coming out of your vehicle's alternator and battery setup. It's about 6 times faster than trying to use the car part inside your vehicle. So you can charge up your power stations very quickly, and it's got superior protection for car battery and your power station. So it gives you that added peace of mind. You get a 2-year warranty with this, and you can control it through the smart app with Bluetti app. It's got cooling built right in, and it's got auto on-off switch. You don't have to worry about it draining your battery. And it works for all Bluetti portable power stations and 95% of other portable power stations. You can adjust the output and things like that. Really great. So you got 6 times faster charging speed with this. It delivers up to 560 watts of power instead of the about 120 watts you would get out of your little tiny carport inside your vehicle. So you can fully charge a 1 kilowatt power station in just 2.5 hours, making it a game changer for your on-the-go charging experience. And it's got multi-layer protection in every charge. It protects your vehicle, protects the Charger 1, and it protects your portable power station. And the Bluetti app is one of my favorite. It's got great offline mode. It's got a lot of things that you know they were thinking ahead with. The Bluetti app, you can easily check the charging status, adjust the voltage directly from your phone, and ensure everything is running smoothly. Super easy to get this installed. You prepare the installation, connect the charger, connect the battery to the car, connect to the car battery, and then start charging. It has everything you need. It comes with it. Simply connect it to the charger, connect to the Charger 1, connect the Charger 1 to the car battery, and you're ready to go. This is one of the ideal accessories to have for the Apex 300 that we just checked out recently, and they just released, and they got a good discount going on, is why we wanted to mention it right now. Plus, you can use our promo code AdventureTech, get an additional discount on top of that. Use the links in the comments to get right over this page, get a good deal, and help support our channel at the same time, which we always appreciate. You can subscribe for free just by clicking the subscribe button. But click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to hear about these new deals.